going to buy 2 Hermes bags. And yung price niya is 1,315,000 pesos. This is 785,000 pesos. New day, new bag. So we have another walk-in client for the day. Si Madam is a Hermes collector. And she's going to buy 2 Hermes bags. So yung first na binili ni Madam is Birkin 25. This is chai color. So yung color na chai is quite similar to biscuit. So it's a muted brown. And this is a Stamp U gold hardware. Condition niya is good as new. Meron siyang customized plastic protector sa hardware. Ayan. And yung price niya is 1,315,000 pesos. And yung second ni Madam is Constance Elan. Elan is the elongated version of the classic Constance bag, which is yung shape na is square. So this one, this is actually the modern reinterpretation of the previous Elan version kasi diniscontinue nila yun for a while and then nagkaroon siya ng comeback. So ito, medyo mas maliit siya than the previous one but kasya dito yung iPhone Pro Max. So this one is brand new. Ito, color, gold hardware, Stamp B, full set with story seat. This is cheaper than the previous one na nasold namin kasi Stamp B siya. This is 785,000 pesos. So si Madam, just sa background lang, she's a Suki client pero ayaw niya kasi magpa-vlog. Kaya I'll just be discussing the 2 bags na binili niya. Si Madam is also a consignor and a buyer. Quick comparison of different sizes of the Constance bag. So this is Constance size 18. So kaya siya size 18 is because of the length sa baba. So this is 18 centimeters. This is Nata color. Ang condition niya is excellent condition. And this is 585,000 pesos. Full set except paper bag. And then, side-by-side comparison ng Elan tsaka size 18. Yeah. So in terms sa width, ayan. Wider si Constance 18, but longer sa length si Constance Elan. And taller din si Constance 18. On this side naman, si Constance 24. This is the biggest size. The condition niya, it's like new condition. When we say like new, wala siyang notable flaws to declare. So as you can see, si Constance 24 is the biggest among all the sizes of Constance bag. So yung Constance Elan, actually same look siya ng Constance to Go. This is the Constance to Go. Constance to Go is the wallet on chain version ng Hermes. So meron din Kelly to Go. Yung Kelly to Go naman, yun, from the word itself, Kelly, ganito itsura niya. Meron siya ditong belt. Ito yung Kelly to Go. This is Constance to Go. Dami natin comparison. Parang ito, mother. Ito yung daughter. Diba? Same look. May strap pa to. Removable yung strap niya. Kaya siya wallet on chain. Kasi you can use it as wallet and bag at the same time. So yun lang. Kinwento ko lang. Thank you again, Madam, for buying another Hermes bags. And magkakonsign din si Madam. May dinala ring mga bags si Madam. Hindi na namin didiscuss kung ano yung mga kinonsign ni Madam. But she's a Suki client of ours. So done for today. After this, we're heading to Glorieta 4. We are honored to be invited by the Bistro Group for the soft opening of Fogo de Chão. Fogo de Chão is a famous Brazilian steakhouse in Brazil. Ito yung first branch nila in the Philippines sa Glorieta 4. Thank you! Oh, excited na ako to try on their steaks.
Ako din. Excited na ako.
Mahilig ka sa steak, di ba? Ulitin ba? Di ba mahilig ka sa steak?
Oo, mahilig ako sa wait lang, mahilig ako.
Sa steak? Tinanong naman mo kita.
Sige. Ulit.
Tara. Let's go. Okay na yun.